distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Bärbel Höhn. I'm chair of the Global Renewable Congress. That is a network of parliamentarians worldwide, cross-party, with the goal of 100% renewable energies. I'm doing this job since 8 years. And before that, for 10 years, I was minister in the biggest state of Germany, in North Westphalia, in charge of environment, agriculture, and a lot of other issues. And after that, 12 years, a member of federal parliament in Germany. And in the last 8 years, special representative for energy in Africa and in the global south. Why I am supporting renewable energies for such a long time? Because I am convinced that renewable energies are the future. And we can see it now, with the war in Ukraine and the conflict in Iran, that the prices for fossil fuels, for gas and oil, are increasing. When we are producing our own energy with our sun and our wind, we are more independent. Germany, for example, is paying 80 billion. For example, you in Pakistan, you have a lot of energy companies who are heavily indebted because the old contracts with fossil fuels don't cover the costs. They were too expensive. Now you have to look to convince the people for this transition that they have more benefits. But there are a lot of people who are working in the fossil sector, and you must give them a perspective too. So what we have to do is to convince the majority of the people of our new way. We have now some data, for example, with the prosperity plans, and we can debate how can we convince the majorities in our countries. And that's why I would like to say to you, best wishes for your Congress, a lot of success to find solutions and to convince the people. Otherwise, we would not be successful. So, good luck.